Start by removing the screw seals. Remove the screws using a 5mm Allen key. After removing the pump head, unscrew the diaphragm. After removing the diaphragm, align the pump head support with the mounting holes on the pump. After these steps, thread the new diaphragm onto the dosing pump, ensuring a secure fit. Then align the mounting holes of the pump head with those on the dosing pump, ensuring that the arrows on the pump head are pointing upward. Finally, tighten the screws in a cross pattern and reinstall the screw seals.